chocolate lover's chocolate treat, a chocolatey mug cake. Today again I'm going to start with a story. I was learning measurements in school, so we made a mug cake. Now let's see the measurements. 1/4 cup flour, 1/4 cup sugar, 3 tablespoons milk, 2 tablespoons cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 tablespoon water, 1/4 tablespoon vanilla essence, 1/8 tablespoon baking soda, 1/8 tablespoon salt. Now let's get started. First I'm going to add in all my dry ingredients. I've added the flour and sugar. Now I'm adding the cocoa powder, 1/8 cup baking soda and 1/8 cup salt. Now I have to whisk it. Now we are going to whisk it gently. Only in one direction. We put the baking soda so the mug cake will rise. Now I'm going to add in my wet ingredients. The water, the vanilla essence, and the oil, and the milk. Now let me mix it up together. Now that we got a smooth thing, let me give it. I remember telling you it's a mug cake. I don't have a micro, so I'm going to use the oven. Now that I've poured it and everything's clean, let me lick the bowl and spoon. Now let me go pop this in the oven. See you in a bit. After 15 minutes in the oven, it's ready. Ooh, it's hot. What are we waiting for? Let's begin. So good. You can eat this with ice cream or with cream, but today is not my day to eat ice cream, so I'm now going to eat it with ice cream. And don't forget to eat it after your meal. Subscribe to YUGVIR'S Kitchen, my cooking channel, and see a new recipe coming up every Saturday.